Hi, it's Casey again. A few weeks ago, we posted our video about Exchange 14 and Exchange Labs, a product we built from the ground up to be both software and service that we currently offer to universities through the Exchange Labs program. And we got a lot of comments on that post, and one in particular that people really were passionate about was support for Safari and Firefox. So we're really excited to be able to tell you that we've got it, and we'll be demoing it to you in a minute. So we haven't stopped there, of course. A couple other features we wanted to talk about today is instant messaging integrated into the web experience, as well as a rich conversation view. At Microsoft, we get a lot of mail, in particular, on distribution lists. People are a pretty chatty bunch, so being able to manage those as threads rather than individual messages makes us a lot more productive. In our last video, we mentioned we have 3.5 million student mailboxes on Exchange Labs, and we have a couple announcements about that today. First is that it's now possible for faculty and staff to get mailboxes on Exchange Labs at no cost. And second is that we really recognize that one of the best benefits of Exchange Labs is the rich Outlook experience across the PC, the mobile phone, and now multiple browsers. So as part of that, we're renaming the service to Outlook Live. So enough talking, time to show. So Ian's going to give you guys a demo of some of those features plus some additional ones.
Again, as Casey mentioned, my name's Ian and I'm from the Exchange Product Management team. And today I'm going to show you some of the things that we were talking about earlier. First and foremost is that Exchange Labs is now called Outlook Live. Okay, so right here in Internet Explorer, you can see the new Outlook Live look and feel. And there are a number of great new features that we're going to talk about in just a moment. But one of the things that Casey mentioned was the fact that we now have multi-browser support, that you can get a great Outlook Live experience across virtually any platform and any browser. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sign out of this Internet Explorer, and right here from Firefox, I'm going to log into my Outlook Live account. And from right here, we get the same great experience in Firefox. So one of the two features I'll show you today is we've integrated instant messaging right into Outlook Live. So right from one single web client, you can get to not only your email communications, but also your instant messaging communications. You can see right here on the left-hand side that I have all my contacts lists. And in fact, when you look at mail messages, you also can see presence information, or what's the current state for your various contacts or the people you're sending email back and forth with. So let's go right over here to the left-hand side of Outlook Live. And right from here in my contacts list, I can see that John's available. So let me right mouse click and start a new chat with my buddy John. Hey John, how's it going? So right here from within Outlook Live, I can use IM like I would regularly use with a desktop client, but it's really available with me wherever I go. So within a few moments, we hopefully should hear back from John. All right, so once again, we mentioned before that not only do we have these great new experiences within Outlook Live, but we have this great experience across multiple browsers. So let's shift over here to this MacBook. And you can see here I now am logged into Outlook Live from Safari. And here I'm going to show you one of the other new features that we are launching with Outlook Live, and that is Conversation View. Conversation View makes it really easy to get a handle on all the different emails that come into your inbox by automatically grouping them together and threading the conversations in a way that more naturally mirrors the natural conversation between the folks who are sending emails back and forth. So the first thing you'll notice is that all these different emails that are related to this project for my biology class are grouped under a single item in the list view. So this means even if there are 10, 20, in fact here you can see there's 2 new messages waiting for me, I don't have to rifle through a very busy inbox to find out what's happening or what my latest emails are. And by expanding this conversation, I see right away there are actually multiple messages here, some of which are new, some there are messages that I sent, and some that I've read already. If we pan over here to the preview pane side, we can also see another new cool aspect of this. This is actually one of my favorite features, is the fact that we've made it very clean and clear and crisp on how your different messages appear. You don't see all the other details from the previous replies. You get each reply separately, and you can very easily see the relationship between those replies. So if I click on the message for my buddy John, which is the first message, you can see it expands. I see the original original email message. As I move and look at different replies, I can expand or collapse these individual replies. And I can even see where I've sent a message to somebody, which is always great in case you forgot what you may have sent before, or you need to send it again to some other folks. And then, of course, you have the ability to see if a message or a discussion branches off, that is, someone replies to a message that was from earlier on, you can see the relationship between those, even explicitly saying here who this response was to. So I've just shown you a few of the new things that we're doing with Outlook Live, including the great experience across multiple web browsers, the new integrated functionality with instant messaging built right into the Outlook Live experience, as well as our new conversation view. And all these great things are now available through Outlook Live. Thanks a lot. Back to you, Casey.
Thanks, Ian, for the demo. So if you're a university and you're interested in getting mailboxes for students, faculty, or staff on the Outlook Live program, check out the Live@edu website. You can join some of our new customers like Ohio State, Peru Ministry of Education, and the University of Queensland. And we'll be back in a few weeks with another video, so keep an eye out.